Welcome back to our YouTube channel Aman Codes. In today's episode, we are going to discuss about set category data types. This is set category data types is also known as collection data types. So let's see what are the set category data types. The purpose of set category data types is that in order to store the multiple values either of same type or different type or both the types in single object, same like list and tuple. But here, with only unique values, there is no duplicates. So in set object, there is no duplicate values is going to be stored. Only unique elements is going to be stored. So that is the difference between the set category data types and list category data types. List category data types can store unique and duplicate values. But set category data types only stores unique values. No duplicates are allowed. The set category data types can be defined as unordered collection of unique elements. So it does not maintain any insertion order. That is the reason it is unordered collection of unique elements. So we have two data types in set category data types. So in set category, we have two data types. One is a set, another is frozen set. So here set is mutable and immutable. So frozen set is immutable. So we have two data types. So let's see the set data type, which is mutable and immutable. Both which acts as both mutable and immutable. So frozen set, which acts as a mutable, which acts as immutable. So let's see what is a set. So here, set is one of the predefined class and treated as a set category data type. So the purpose of the set data type is that in order to store multiple values, so multiple values of same type, different type, both the types. See here, both the types also we can store in single object with only unique values. No duplicates are going to be used in set data type. So in order to store the elements of set, we are going to use some notation, right? So list we have square brackets, tuple we have braces. So here we are going to use curly braces. Curly braces is a notation for set data type. So and values are separated by comma. So let's see the syntax here. So set obj is equals to curly braces. In that values are there from 1 to n. The values are separated with the comma, right? See here, comma is separated, right? So now an object of set never maintains insertion order. So that is, I have already said here, right? It is an unordered collection of unique elements. In the sense, it does not maintain any type of insertion order because PVM displays any one of the possibilities of elements of set. PVMs randomly displays here any one of the possibility of elements of set. So on the object of set, we can't perform indexing and slicing operations. Why? Because it does not maintain insertion order, right? So an object of set which is belongs to both mutable and immutable. So I have already specified that it comes under both mutable and immutable. So with the help of the set class, we can create two types of set objects. So they are one is empty set and non-empty set. So in upcoming episode, we are going to see this empty set and non-empty set. For today's episode, we are going to see the practical how it does not maintain insertion order, how indexing and slicing not performed, how they are mutable and immutable. So let's see. I'm opening the Python command prompt 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 10 comma 20. I declare duplicate values. Let's see is it allows or not. So I'm trying to print yes comma type of yes. See here type of yes. Yes. See. Even though if we are declared duplicate values 10, 20, 10, 20 has came two times, right? So even though we declare this duplicate values, the set data type automatically converts into unique values. See, see here, it has displayed 10, 20, 30, right? So the next point is it never maintains an insertion order. See here, let's see this also. I'm declaring same as object 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50. See, this is my set. So now I'm trying to print that S and type of yes. See here I entered 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, but PVM displays 50, 20, 40, 10, 30, right? So this is a reason it does not maintains insertion order. So if does not maintains insertion order, right? So by that we can't do indexing and slicing. See here, if the values are like this only. So if set maintains insertion order, then we can know that 10 has in zeroth index, 20 has in first index like that. But it has displayed in different way, right? So indexing we can't do in S object. See here S of 1. So type error we got. What is the type error? So set object is not subscriptable. In the sense we can't do indexing. So let's see the slicing also. See here, I'm declaring 4 from starting 1 to 4 minus 1 is 3. So let's see. So same error, set object is not subscriptable, which is type error, right? So again, let's see how it is mutable and immutable. How the set data type is mutable and immutable. See here, this is my S1, right? So in this S1, now I'm going to add a value. Before going to add a value, I'm going to see the ID of this S1. ID of this S1 returns the memory address of that object, right? So see here, this is the ID of S1, right? So if I'm going to add an element by using predefined function offset, I want to add this 89 value into our set. So this value is going to be added into our set, but where it is going to be, we don't know. See here, I have to use here S1. Now I'm going to access S1. See here, this 89 has been added, right? I want to see the ID of S1. No, right? After adding that 89, the ID of S1 is same. See here. So before adding an element into that set, after adding an element into the set, so the element is added at the same address. When the element is added at the same address, then it is known as mutable, right? So mutable in the sense the modification should be done at same memory address. So how can we say that the set object is immutable? So let's see here. S of 0 is equals to, I have to update this S of 0 value into 34. See here, it shows an type error, right? Set object does not support item assignments. So if you are confused about mutable and immutable, so I have done a video about mutable and immutable objects. So after seeing that video, you can easily understand this mutable and immutable. So it does not support item assignments in the sense it is immutable. So the modification has been done at same memory address. So that is the reason it is mutable. So this tells the set is both mutable and immutable, right? So this is about our set data type. In upcoming episodes, we are going to discuss about this empty set and non-empty set. So that's all for today's video. I hope you all understand. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aman Codes. Thank you so much for watching.